Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Happy can join this meeting again. So maybe for today, let me see. Ross, could you be my secretary?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ross. Okay, and we will go to the funnel or the campaign program update. Okay, so yeah, I just saw like I think yesterday there are some feedback from Jing as well about its Trello board and funnel. Yeah, I think yeah we can take the as a positive for the suggestion, and then we can maybe have a look again like our its Trello board, what we can improve to make it more clear for the other people. So the first, this is from Ross. Let me see. Okay, so this is the update from Ross. Do you want to give the update, Ross?
Yep. No updates for this campaign because still Jay no release partner who got booking or not like. And yeah, surging comment this campaign like no progress on December, and I already our partner reason why they postpone delay to sign the contract.
Okay,
and
thank.
I'm forget to apa ya to update funnel, so there is no update
Okay,
for
thank
this
you,
case.
Ross. Yeah, so for the January, we will focus to discuss with the Tegar Penida, Kemang Kuning and Peladamu for the sign the contract ya. And then yeah, I think for the Labomi, I will recheck with Wayana today, and then check if the all the payment issue is already clear with Labomi or still not finished yet. Okay, and then yeah, maybe for the March list, we can see if we can contact this all the partner after the January and February list done ya. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, today also I had already contact Pak Adli of from Tegar Penda Paradas, but there is no answer yet. I already tried to call it. Yeah, maybe he is busy or something, but I will still keep trying to contact him. Okay, maybe from Om Rafiq, do
Okay,
you have
Kak.
any comment, Om?
Oh yeah, thank you. So maybe you can update it here, Ross, because I have a meeting also with Tugas Asri and Kemang Kuning on Thursday.
Mm.
They promised
Oh,
to sign the contract.
on Thursday ya.
Thursday,
Okay.
Hari Kamis. Yeah,
Kembang kuning.
Tugas Asri ya.
Yep.
Okay, you back to you, Chair.
Okay, thank you, Om. Is there any comment again? Okay, if not,
Um.
yes, Ross. Yeah.
Uh, um. Surging like apa ya menekan to like contract is approve their commitment like that. Ya, hanya mention itu surging
Mm.
bilang
Yes.
because before we
Mm.
it's okay to not sign contract selama during they have commit with and surging seperti meluruskan approve their commitment.
Yeah. Okay, Ross. Yes. Yeah, we will do the best for the contract. Yeah, like we also want to hear from the partner as well, like what is why they don't want to sign the contract now or everything. We also need to hear from partner as well, and then of course we will try to persuade the partner like what is the friction, uh, why they not want to sign now, and then when is they ready and everything. Because yeah, if we cannot like too many push to the partner, yeah, because yeah, on this current situation the partner also uh, have some consideration to sign the contract, because some because they also like to Uluwatu Village House, because we cannot give any booking, then they trying to uh, find the other guests, and then like because in the contract we have like minimum night stay and everything. So yeah, I think that with there's all the consideration, we also need to understand like about that, like that. But yeah, of course we will try the best, so the partner can commit and then sign the contract.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ross. And then the next for the community engagement meeting program, this is from Om Rafiq. Do you have any update?
Yeah, Tandy, I'm sorry a little bit. Can you get a little bit? So this is exactly the from Jing regarding the what is the panel issue, right?
Mm.
So asking about the panel contract, why is three? Last month is seven. So comment on this one because on every month we have a contract expired. Why we this January only have three we need to follow up. That is my what is called comment on this one. But the second one, I think I understand it little bit from you, Tandy. The indicator of green and everything. So maybe you can a bit to Jing. Maybe you can comment it over there later. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, thank you, Om Rafiq. Yeah, so basically for the if I want to ask for the second question, the visualization. So actually, why I put the previous number and final number? So this is actually same like the previous update from BI. Like we need to know what is the previous number and then the second number, and then because Jing here is mentioned remain the several uh, for several updates. Yeah, because if I only put the final number like Jing mentioned here, so we need to check the previous picture again, right? What is the number yesterday, uh, and open here, and then what is the number today, and then we open here. Yeah, but yeah, that's why I make the previous number and final number, so we can only open one picture.
Yeah.
So we can just see like the progress from previously and then the final number. Yeah, I think from me, I think this is not a big issue. If because this is also when I think will make easier. So we don't need to open like a previously we open like a to Google Chrome,
Yeah.
like compare it the previous number and then
Mm.
the current number, right, like that. So and then the
Yeah.
yes, Om.
Yeah. I think I'm agree with that, Andy, because on this picture, I understand if the update is in green, so if no update will be red, right? That is the what is called the improvement regarding the panel. That maybe that is maybe Jing don't understand. Maybe you can because this is already recorded. Maybe Jing can. Yeah. Thank you, Andy.
Yeah, yeah. Also, like previously, because like this we already discussed it before, right? Like we also all agree like if there is any progress, then we can put the green. So that's mean like there is a progress, and red there is no progress, like that. And then I think I don't know which part is strange. Uh, if Jing mentioned the previous number and final number, I think this is from me is okay, because we know the progress, right? The previous number it's mean the previous progress, and then the final number is the current progress, like that. So yeah, I think just that from me. But on the first, what's called first question from Jing, where are the funnel from 7 to 3? Yeah, I think because we changed the month, which is the December. We have the topic is 7, and then this month we have three topic for discussion like that. But I think what we can improve on. So like in the December, we have 7. Also in the December we already discussed it, yeah. All the 7 with the partner, and then on the November, sorry, on the January, we not have discussed about the contract yet, yeah. Yeah, yeah, I think this is what Jing need to understand. Like we because we for the community engagement we reset it every month. So we will update every month the topic of the contract like that. But I think what Jing what consideration is because we have already discussed it and feedback for the contract is 7, but the progress for the contract signing is I think only one for the gong. I think just that like a why we had why we already discussed it all, but the only one is signed like that. I think that's Jing this consideration like that. Yeah, I think we can improve it for this
Okay.
one, and then recheck again like the relation between the ROS funnel and then the community page, the community engagement funnel. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Is there maybe from Ross? Do you have anything suggestion or question?
No, Kak.
Okay. Thank you, Om Rafiq. Okay.
Good. Yeah. This question is regarding engagement because
Hmm.
Tadil is not right.
Yeah.
So maybe today in because today in the hospital because my
Hmm.
can we discuss on Thursday regarding engagement?
Oh yes. Oh sure.
Okay. Can you write down Ross the maybe me Ross did today is your last day right?
I don't know.
Today is your last day, Ross.
Yes, yes, Om.
So just write down Rapik and Teddy will have a sub discussion regarding the Facebook engagement on Thursday. Yeah,
On Thursday.
Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Om. Thank you. Yeah, I think since Fadil not here, so I can remove from the funnel and then also this. So for the Facebook, I will uh, take it back again, ya Om. Thank you. We'll see. Okay, yes, that. And then the next one for the community page, the trusted community.
Um, I already blog, so tinggal upload to Bukit Vista page. Yeah,
Okay, this is the block ya, Rasya. I will still loading.
because I still waiting Grace correction before upload it.
I see. Okay then, so yeah, maybe Om Rafiq, Grace, and everyone, you can check the Ross blog here, and if there is anything that you have want to add on this blog or correction, you can tell Ross and then comment on the Trello board. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And then I would like to see the update on the here progress. So for the response, I think there are two new company that's still on progress for the outreach, and then one meeting is converted from the Johnson Furniture Rifki uh, on the Thursday at the 11 a.m. maybe if Om Rafiq can join, you can join also, Om, ya. And then the partnership, this is the new partnership, the geothermics, and then the community blog. I think Ross already make the community blog. You just need to update here the blog, ya, Ross, ya,
Iya,
on
Kak.
the Trello board. And then community blog. This is some blog that already posted. And then I think I can take some of this community blog and then post it on the Facebook group by today, Om. Okay, thank you. I think just that for the community page. Let me go back to the Trello board.
So
Yes, Kak?
apa in 2020 kan kontak Mahalati.
Hmm,
Mahalati no Mahalati Lakeman keramik
ya.
keramik and the marketing said uh, CEO Philip um, can do C-Talk in January,
Okay.
and I already delegate to follow up for Kak Nadia, and Kak Nadia already have contact them, and I think di apa boardnya respon belum ada board
Okay.
respon.
Oke, jadi so Nadia will follow up for the Lekmen keramik ya, terus ya.
Iya.
Okay then. Okay, thank you. And then, but the Philip already respond your message, right?
His marketing
Oh, his
Philip.
marketing. Okay then.
Oh,
So yeah, maybe you or Nadia can make the card on the Trello board so we can see the progress of the meeting. Set.
okay, Kak.
Yeah.
I will put it in response later ya.
Okay, thank you, Ross. Yes, is there any question for the community page trusted community from Om Rafiq, Ross? Okay, thank you. And then tomorrow we'll have the meeting, right? For the community page.
Thursday.
Uh, Tuesday, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think I will
I will join.
prepare the topic. Maybe Ross, you can write down on the comment. Uh, then we will set up the meeting for the what's called for the expert, and then connect to the owner for the like webinar or something.
Tepat.
Mm. Okay, thank you, Ross. We will go to the next to the maintain partner trusted by clear payment report. The last update from the David is there are new anomalies, 15 new anomalies, and then for the underpayment, there are 15 underpayment notif to partner, and then there are 4 payment which already settled by David. Thank you. Oh yeah, maybe from Om Rafiq or Ross, do you have any partner that complaining about the payment so far?
Still kembang kuning
Hmm.
and ya
Yep.
masih kembang kuning deh.
Hmm.
Si complain about Airbnb will transfer the Guest payment
Hmm.
in apa ya till 5 days until after Guest check-in.
Yeah.
But itu udah kayak sebulan ternyata belum ditransfer. And I already talk this to Mbok Wayan, and Mbok Wayan langsung bilang ke aku, iya, Ros ini lagi with the owner. Like,
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Russell. From Om
yeah.
Rafiq, do you have?
Yeah, I want to clarify
Hmm.
Kembang Kuning little bit, Ross, because I think I will go there on Thursday to explain a little bit misunderstanding because that is moved from another property. Stanley remember that I'm from
Yeah.
DBs and also from wrong. That's why the payment is still pending. I think need to check it like that. And that is the first one. The second one, on Thursday I will meet Kemang Kuning regarding the payment issue, and at two, nothing, nothing serious, only a little bit. What is called the delay payment, but the finance already understand about the workflow of the payment. I think it's okay. It's no nothing serious.
Okay, get it. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think uh, because we want to maintain the partner trust, right? So I think we can start to what's called to spread out the PSS, the partner satisfaction survey. Maybe when we meet the partner, maybe we can give the partner the the survey, maybe just the rating, how is the rating for the payment, how is the rating for the what's called reservation or booking, or how is the rating for the communication. So we can know which part is lack uh, between the partner and BV, so we can know which one we need to prioritize. If there is if it's about all about the payment is get the below rating, then we can discuss with the finance to find the solution, how we can improve the rating for the from the survey like that. Okay. So I think
Okay. Thank you.
we have the previous survey, Om. Yeah, I think, but with some editing of the survey, I think we can discuss it. The survey form, me and you. Yeah.
Yeah. After the scrum, maybe.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Om. Maybe Ross, you can write it down. Thank
Okay.
you. And then the next one for the reducing the booking conflict program. For the last update, this is from Ross. Yeah, there are some partner is not ready yet for the property is open, like ke Batu Jaran Hill, Taman Bintang, Boga Segara, Leluan, and there are already the reason why they cannot set the meeting yet, ya Ros ya. And then this is
Yep.
for the Beach will follow up again by Beach. Is there any update Om from Beach? Sorry,
Already
Ocean
called
Terrace.
Ocean Terrace already contact yesterday,
Hmm.
but I will follow up again because
Okay.
only read my message, but it's not reply. I will try to call them today.
Okay, thank
And
you
also
Om.
Alchemist. Yesterday I already talked with Jing little. It's hard, but it's not. It's like this. Why is we need to discuss this one as well on. I think I need to talk with Jing as well about this because why did we need to keep the non-exclusive partner
Hmm.
and why?
Okay.
For example, why? Because they have a unique like tree house. They only the the property they have only the tree house is Alchemist, right?
Hmm.
So maybe I will talk with Jing as well.
Okay,
No,
thank you.
maybe with you as well, Tandy.
Yeah, sure,
So
sure. And then, oh yeah, Ross. So there are only 5 property left, yeah, not training yet from all.
Yeah, not have bigger account.
Not have bigger account from the all property, right? Only 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So the problem for the Putri Nusa Guest House, there is check the account, but when I click the account, you cannot see the data, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I can just check it ya quickly, so we can know where is the problem is. Putri Nusa, this one, right?
Mm.
Uh,
Bisa ya?
yeah, I think bisa, Ros.
Oh, berarti
Oh, loading internet mungkin, maybe.
but sudah beberapa kali nggak bisa. Tapi ya.
But is the owner can open with this email? Putri Nusa Beach.
When I apa? Aku klik itu
Hmm?
nggak ada keluar apa.
Oh, gitu. Oke, mungkin maybe the connection, Ros.
So for partners again lah berarti ya.
Yeah, Putri Nusa, I think he already have the access for the bigger. And then the last open is 10 January 2020. And then we can follow. We can recheck again with the partner. Do they still can access the bigger because they already have the account, and then make sure the partner login using this email.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I will just screenshot and then send to your Slack ya.
Ya,
Thank
Kak.
you, Ross. We back again to this one. I think for the campaign, I think that's already all coverage. And then from you guys, do you have any? Maybe I will ask. Do you have any friction from the funnel update? Actually, do you have any friction to update the funnel, or do you still do you totally understand, or you still didn't understand about the funnel?
Hmm, I agree sih Kak, but
Hmm.
I want to respond for Boga Segara client. So
Yeah.
I see the review in Slack.
Hmm.
Uh, salah satu tamu say that cleanliness in Boga Segara is not good, and I think we must follow up the staff or owner.
Okay.
Maybe
I
staff sih
think
staff.
yeah, I think we can put on the community engagement board yeah, and put the topic here. Okay, so that's the review on January ya, Ros ya. Okay,
Yep.
okay then I will find the review and then put on the discussion management ya. Thank you, Ross. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the Trello board, and then we will move to the discussion management. This one. Sorry. Okay. Let me see from the below. For the New Year card is already done ya Om ya. This one. Okay, so today there is one topic from me. I think it's already yesterday. I already mentioned it. Got one property partner, and then the result of meeting yesterday is you can read it, and then I think this is a uh, good what's called good opportunity also for us from our community. So uh, I know that our community, our partner, like in Uluwatu, for example, they have issue like the payment issue and everything, but they still trust us. Like if there is any other property owner that asking like uh, how to manage it, and then they still recommend Bukit Vista like that. So I think that's what we need to keep in our community. So we need to what's called keep the trust for our existing partner, like how we maintain, like make sure all the payment is done, or all the information is delivered to them like that. So I think from that we can get the benefit, like a free marketing from them. So like they will recommend us as a property management, so we can get growth in our area like that. And then the next step that I will do it is because the owner want to see the draft of the contract. So I think I will just take one of our partner contract as a draft, and then I will also coordinate with marketing team for the next step to process this lead like that. Okay, and then maybe from Om Rafiq and Ross, do you have any topic for today?
Evaluation,
Uh, yes, Ross.
evaluation Kak, yang scroll down.
Oh yeah, evaluation 2020.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Mana ya? Ini ya, Ros ya.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so this all the topic. So what we need to prioritize for the new year, how we increase the engagement rates with the partner. We need to make evaluation for this year. Okay, maybe I just remind ya Om ya. So the problem in 2020 not continuing on the 2021. I'm agree with that. Like the response, the responsiveness, and then communication. Make it simple to use our tech and system. Need more partner to have she talk and partner talk. Yes, we need to maximize community management trusted. Yes, we need to evaluate 2020 and then prediction about 2021. The mistake not repeat, and we will have discussion for the evaluation. Okay, I'm agree. Maybe Ross, you can move to the up ya, so we can discuss it here.
Oh,
Bawa ke atas aja.
oh, topik baru ya?
Naikin ke atas aja ininya, dipindah.
Oke.
Yang tadi. Okay, so yeah, I'm agree with like I think we can summarize because we already have the community engagement board like I think 3 or 4 months, and then we can make a summarize for the each month like what is the problem that not fixed yet or just like a fix like a tactical fixing like just only fixing on that time, but we also need to find the solution for the long term solution. I think we can summarize like in the each month like what we need to follow up or we need to fixing on the next month like that. For example, like a December, what is the most problem or anything that we cannot fixing on the last month. Then on this month we can focusing on that things like that. What do you think, Om? Salah pencet kayak Om Rafiq. Halo?
Lo denger nggak?
Ya.
Nah, internetnya lagi kacau nih.
Hmm.
Yes, we can do it the summarize, Tandy.
Okay. Then maybe from the current situation, I would like to ask from your memories like what do you remember that we the issue that we facing on the last month and then it's not fixed yet until now or we need to fix it for the either it's already fixed last month but it potentially happen again on this month or the next on the future like that. Maybe from Om Rafiq.
Okay, the first one I think a few point this one. First one, I think the gas problem partner still related
Pardon, Om?
related to the reservation is partner still contacting it
Okay.
related to
Reservation and booking ya.
yes, still contacting community.
Okay.
That is the first one. And then the second one, mostly about marketing.
Marketing. Can you more specific, Om? Marketing to which side
Well,
or which part?
yeah, for example, like this. What's did our property still launch at B? That this is okay. Community is still or should be the chapter to follow up.
Okay. Ross, you get it the point?
Tadi keputus tiba-tiba langsung marketing.
Okay, maybe Om Rafiq can repeat it.
Oh yeah, regarding their property still alive or not, listing or not, still contacting should community follow update for another chapter.
Okay.
And the last one is still asking about payment.
Okay, payment issue ya.
Payment issue always asking to community. Even though can you uh, nomor satu tuh enggak Ros?
Ya, gimana Om? Relate
Regard
gitu ya?
ya enggak nomor satu tuh bisa diedit regarding the reservation, booking, and guest issue.
Guest issue.
Yeah, it's not part two. Guest issue still community gitu.
Okay, got it, Om. And then maybe from Ross, do you remember like is there any issue that on the December that it's potentially will happen again in the next, or it's not fixed yet on the last month?
Oke, wait ya. Berarti mesti dicatat.
Mm.
I'm agree with Om Rafiq. They still payment issue for community. And I think like harusnya they ask finance team ya, because they like kayak mungkin they don't know and mungkin kurang nggak mau tahu tentang BV itu punya banyak tim, banyak chapter, many chapter. There's chapter finance, community. They see us is ya udah BV, tidak ada yang kayak GM finance partner tidak melihat seperti, and yeah, when we got like payment issue question from our partners, I think it's okay to respond them, but kalau kita tidak tahu langsung coordinate to finance team like that, like Mbak Wayan ini ada partner gitu. Setidaknya if it not tidak terlalu sulit untuk dijelaskan, kita dapat menjelaskannya setelah with finance team itu. And selain payment issue, apalagi ya? Yang sering sih payment issue di aku. Terus masalah
Kalau masalah training?
Masalah training,
ada
they like training on site, not online. But like tapi mungkin kesadarannya agak, karena ini kan lagi pandemi dan belum tahu kapan selesai. And ya masalah training itu mereka inginnya trainingnya onsite. Terus apalagi ya Kak? Itu sih yang paling sering kayaknya deh ya.
Okay.
Oh ya.
Dan bakalan terjadi.
One thing maybe I can add to Ross, maybe it's hard to reach online. Jadi mungkin lebih susah to reach online the partner. Mungkin is today we message them, they will reply maybe 4 days after or 5 days, right? Nggak gampang untuk reach ownernya gitu maksudnya.
Oke, thank you Om. Ada lagi Ros?
I think masalah respon itu termasuk sih. Aku setuju dengan respon. And maybe this can be our key. Respon is really impact them to build their trust with us like that. Jadi like Pak Rizal yang tadinya agak ini ya, agak garang gitu. But when I try to fast respond, to explain detail and coordinate with David Wayan, I see that he like me, and if there is a problem, like payment, like to change the listing, or he want to change his account for booking.com,
Hmm.
he apa ya, he chat me personally, Ros tolong bilangin kayak ini langsung biar cepat kayak gitu, jangan
Hmm.
lambat-lambat
Yeah.
kayak gitu.
I think that's good feedback also from Pak Rizal that we can take ya Ros ya for to improve our service like that. Okay, thank you. So and then I think from my side, because yeah, when I during my absence, I saw there are like some issue like regarding the gas or regarding the check-in or regarding the payment deduction and everything. I saw it because I still monitoring even though I am absent, but I still check it the group and everything. So yeah, I think what we need to fix for the future is about the what's called the responsibility like of the person like for example like all the communication like for example like because on the WhatsApp the communication will be fast, right? So if for example like the owner tell like hey tomorrow we will open only until 1 p.m. for the restaurant, for example like that, and then there are another communication like a chat from the for example like HR team like hey there is a booking tomorrow and everything, and then the chat will be gone, right? And then yeah, I think that's one example like in the and then tomorrow there are a guest, for example like we did not tell the guest like the restaurant will close at 1 because the chat is already gone, right, and the app, then we forgot to tell like that. So that's one of the example. So I think that's the system that we need to fix like how actually we follow up every single chat from the owner, or maybe we can like in the end of the what's called in the end of the work we can check if there's any missing chat that we miss or on this day, like because on the WhatsApp we can see the today message, right? And then maybe we can after the work or before we finish the work, maybe we can just check like scroll down the conversation like check, oh, is there any missing information that we miss or something that we need to follow up, or maybe we can if there's any important message we can just put on the our diary or our what's called record on the notes. Okay, so this today this partner asking about this partner asking about this partner asking about this, then we have the note like for today, like the summary of the work today, the summary of the work today, and then who will follow up this one, who will follow up this one, who will follow up this, then we can spread out like that. I think that's we need to coordinate with the HR as well, because most of the issue on the December that I saw it's related with the HR and the finance, the gas issue or the finance issue. I think that's we need to fix it and then avoid to happen in the future like that. Yeah, because uh, I think most of of the partner why they are angry or complaining to us uh, because yeah, mostly about the communication, we missed the communication, and then we didn't follow up, for example the partner requesting this price but we not set the price or something. I think that's actually we need to avoid to happen again like that, so we can still keep the trust for the partner or increasing the trust from the partner like that. I think that's, and then the other things yeah, I think about the sync up yeah. So this is the feedback as well from Jing. So he suggests to reduce the number of the sync up. Yeah, maybe we can do like 2 times or 1 times a week, but before that I think I will join for the every single meeting of the chapter for 1 or 2 weeks. So I will get it like how actually we can update with the minimum meeting, but the update is always happen like that. And then also I think we also need to recheck again our SLA update. For example, like uh, what's called the community engagement. For example, okay, the SLA is per day we need to reach like a 5 partner, for example. Then yeah, we need to stable 5 partner per day every day like that. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I think that's what I will learn from the other chapter and then join to the other chapter Scrum to see how what we can take it from the other chapter and then can what's called apply it to the community chapter like that. Okay, I think from my side so far is that. Is there any issue that you remember, guys?
I want to comment regarding what is Ross
Hmm.
about. This is little intermezzo, right?
Yeah.
Regarding Pak Rizal mentioned to you, why Pak Rizal always contact you direct instead of he write down the person who's write down on the group, right? You are fast respond. That is the honor one.
Yeah.
Same like me and Danny before. If fast respond, everything they're asking to you. Why? Same like you. Why I was asking to another person who was delayed? That is wasting my time to write down on my keyboard, right? Why asking a person who's fast respond, though they didn't know it, but he can check it. So that is I always tell right, and also another team. Then the partner is on your side. Jadi coba aja kamu bayangkan kalau kamu di posisi partner tuh gimana, dibayar di chatnya dibales 5 jam aja, jangankan 5 jam, menit aja kita udah nguang-nguang kan kalau masalah yang urgent gitu loh.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau sudah ada yang bagus orang, you will move to another dead person.
Mm-mm.
Jadi gitu. Jadi aku seperti itu. Aku selalu bayangin, aku tuh jadi owner, aku nggak. Why should I wasting my time to type on the group is no respond? Gitu. Aku lebih baik langsung finger point orang yang pas aja gitu. Jadi itu aja sih poinnya aku.
Okay.
Terus tentang mungkin dari Ros aku juga mau cerita. This is your last day.
Thank
Jadi
you, Ros.
mungkin aku
Kok
nggak
jadi
bisa.
meramalnya?
Ya kan nggak masalah kan. Siapa kita lupa nanti jamnya kan.
Iya.
Karena aku soalnya mau ke rumah sakit.
Aku hadir.
Lu si Tendi yang wakilin. Tapi aku udah bilang beberapa poin kok ke Selin. Nanti ditunjuk. Aku udah bilang.
Okay.
Tapi aku cuma mau bilang terima kasih.
Terima kasih banyak.
Jadi kamu udah banget di community yang dulunya cuma aja. Sekarang mungkin kita perlu more person like you. Gitu.
Oh,
Jadi
iya.
biarpun ya kan.
Padahal aku ngerasa banyak banget loh gudangku.
Mungkin gini, kita Tendi enjoy the meeting dah. Selesai itu biar nggak di-record nanti baru kita gini.
Siap. Okay, thank you. I think we had all the issue that we remember on the last month. Then I think all this issue we can make as a topic for the next meeting, ya Om ya. So we can what's called find the solution first, and then we can put all this issue on this topic, and then we can discuss it, and then how actually we improve for this month. So yeah, make sure all the issue is addressed to the right chapter or right person, and then also we find the long-term solution for each problem like that. Okay, I think that's pretty much it from me. So I will end this meeting. Thank you very much, Ros and Om Rafiq, for joining. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
Oke.
Oke, udah. Jadi